Welcome to the Bose Publishing Mega Pack. This is the pack that I've been using for the past couple of years and has evolved from being a PowerPoint only add-on to now being its own standalone program. Recently, Luke from Bose Publishing has added a number of AI generation tools. So you've got AI image generator using things such as Midjourney, which is the Rolls-Royce of AI generators, as well as AI text generation. Now, much like ChatGPT, which you would have heard around for the past month or so, it's become pretty popular. This uses a version of ChatGPT from OpenAI. However, it is the GPT J6B version, which only has 6 billion data points compared to ChatGPT's much larger data point set. Luke has also added in a word cloud generator, and this allows you to create word clouds from the list of words that you put in here. So for example, if we're putting in here Mega Pack, and we're going to generate that, here is our word cloud. Now you can also use an image mask and use different shapes to be able to create an image mask or the shape of this word cloud in that pack. So that's pretty impressive. I think this will work really well for social media posts. So now that the Mega Pack is independent from PowerPoint, you can create things using this Windows and soon to be Mac program, which can be consumed by PowerPoint, LibreOffice, Canva, OpenOffice, Google Slides, or Infinity Designer. The Mega Pack allows you to create templates for all sorts of low content and medium content KDP, so things such as calendars that you can see on the screen currently, to creating your very own dot paper. There are a huge amount of features within this Mega Pack where you can go and create various templates for use within KDP, but also you can create things like QR codes, which make it nice and easy for social media or doing further advertising. The tool has a number of conversion options, so you can convert to various outputs, as well as add things such as your watermark if you want to. You can even use this tool for translating from one language to another, which opens up your market for KDP across to a bigger audience across the world. So as you can see, there's a huge variety of tools within this Mega Pack that can help you in creating not only your KDP, but also help you out with Etsy, social media, and a number of activities that you may want to pursue. At the moment, it's a fantastic time to pick up the Mega Pack at 50% off. So it is normally £50 for the lifetime package, but you can get this for £25, 50% off, which is equivalent to about $30 US. This will give you access to all these tools we've seen, including the new AI tools such as the generator, as you can see on screen, and some of these space cats that it's created. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, the link is in the description to that deal. Go and check it out now.